people, welcome to my channel, and you're watching none other than Diana. And today's vlog is all about my first ever solo trip. Yeah, it is solo and not solo too. I'll explain why. I am telling this one as a solo trip because I'm going for a trip for the first time without Miku. So without Miku, it's my solo trip. But on the other hand, my friend Shorushi is accompanying me, so it is a girls trip too. So it is my solo come girls trip, and few things that I need to experience. So that's why I'm going for this trip. Few things I need to know, few things I need to explore, which I haven't done ever before. I haven't gone anywhere alone till now. This is the first time I'm going out of my comfort zone and learning new things, exploring new things. So this trip is all about those experience and something about myself which I would like to share in gist with you all. That recently I was going through few circumstances that was not that easy. So we all have difficulties, we all have problems. That's very normal. If you don't have problems, then you really need to check on your life. So having problems in life, it is very much normal, but the most important thing that we need to know from our problems, that how you improve yourself from that problem, how you learn from that problem, how you make yourself a better person on the other hand from that problem. And mountains are always my favorite place to explore. For the first step, as baby step, so I think this will be the right decision. Slowly I can explore for a higher mountain and for a better exploration. And yeah, enjoying my trip with my girlfriend. So it's a very new chapter in my life, a very new experience in my life. I myself don't know what is going to happen or what I'm going to face, or will I like it or not like it, will I sulk more, or will I go into more depression on the trip, or will I really enjoy a lot. I really have no idea. So let's see how the trip comes out. Right now at my mom's place in the evening, 6:30 we are leaving. 7:15 is my bus, and yeah, then the journey continues, and I will keep updating everything how much possible on this vlog. So guys, this vlog is not about any tour travel guidance. Yeah, all the details you will get on my description box. Whatever the transport or stay I am doing, all the details are there in my description box. So if any information that is required for a tour and travel guidance, if I skip those things, kindly excuse me for that. So we are heading now towards our bus stand, and my dad is dropping it. Shorshi is already here with us, and here our journey begins. So we are in the bus now, and hi. So we finally boarded the bus, and we are on our way. You malicious. It's screen time now. Cheers.
10 টাকা নিয়ে যা 5 টাকা নিয়ে চলো সব শিখে
It's dinner time, and we are having our dinner, and
তুমি
this is
খেয়েছো
more
dinner?
special fried rice.
তুমি
and
খেয়েছো?
chicken. It's too yum. Love you, mama. Love you.
Thank you, auntie.
Hi, good morning. It's 4 in the morning. our homestay, and it's a farmhouse, and they have a huge beautiful property with all kind of natural beauty. So I'll show you everything. Let's check out the property. So this is the main building. So from the main building you also get their car if you want, and this is the view in front of the homestay. This view you get. This is the stairs which lead us to our property where we are staying. Let's check. So this is our property. We are staying here. Our room is here. We already reached our stay. I am too tired, but I really enjoyed the journey, and I took a shower, and now I am enjoying this breeze from the window, this natural breeze, and the sound of the wind chime. It's so soothing, it's so nice. And now we are waiting for our lunch to come, and here is Shoroshri.
And this girl is just lagging and nothing else. She's so lazy, no idea.
And I just came. Now give me few minutes.
I
Let me just relax my body, and then once I start, you see, then non-stop I'll go making videos, enjoying the nature and making videos. And I'm too hungry, so unless I eat anything, I won't be able to function anything.
Food is on its way, ma'am.
Okay. And this is our lunch with the view of the beautiful mountain and a beautiful Shri. So lunch is not yet getting served, and let's enjoy the view with this yummy lunch. And what is there in the lunch? This is kind of veg. Today we are having veg because we did a lot of journeys, so veg.
This is churpi ka achar.
What achar?
Churpi ka achar. It's cottage cheese achar.
Okay.
With all, carrots and everything. This is dal. This is aloo karela. And this is saag, which is
Dal
from
shag.
shag from their own garden.
Pickles!
Yeah, that's
Okay.
and roti and rice is on its way.
And see the view. Wow.
और कुछ anything else? दूल्हा चले दुखसा नहीं दूल्हा बूढ़ी दुखसा अली अली सानू सानू.
So after our lunch, we are out for a walk to explore the area nicely and to see how it is, as it is my first experience. First time I'm coming to Darjeeling, so it's for me it's all new experience, everything new, everything first time. So yeah, I'm here out in the woods, in the greenery, to explore the nature. Okay, Dana is walking down the trail on the, and we are going to some turn, I don't know which turn, maybe a wrong turn.
See a tea
So here we are going into the woods to find a vampire. Are we here to find a vampire or a wolf?
I'm here to find myself.
But I want a wolf. Oh God, I can stay here for lifelong. Visiting woods and tea plantations. You can see behind me.
Yellow flowers. Can you see those yellow flowers? Oh my God, they're beautiful over there.
Okay, let's check those yellow flowers. Where are the yellow flowers? We are out for nature hunting. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I'll show you guys this pretty yellow flowers. Hello yellow flowers. Oh shit, I didn't on the video.
No, that's okay. We'll do it downstairs. Now you can record all the sceneries and all.
Yeah.
Let me
Now
also
you speak.
You really want me to speak? Okay. This is Shraddha. We are the owner of Brightside Farmstay, and this property is basically located in Lamahatta, Tanta. It's in Darjeeling itself. And if you want to visit us, you can contact us as 786-495-3218, or you can also Google us and you can find us in Airbnb too. The website is Make My Trip too. You can come down here. We have a very beautiful scenery from here. You can see Kanchenjunga and all, and we have few viewpoints like Pinchule, place of viewpoint, and you can go for hikings and all. That's it, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
And
so,
what are we having for dinner today?
what would
you like to have?
so it's a very nice property, guys. You'll feel like home, and she's very friendly. Everyone over here, they're very friendly, and they'll treat you like a family member. And today's my first day, and I'm really feeling like home over here. And if you really like my video, and if you want to visit the place, kindly contact this beautiful lady, as she has already mentioned her phone number. And right now we are going to the market with her to do some vegetables, meat, and all this grocery shopping. Okay, so bye.
Enjoying moving around with the lookalikes.
You want to buy focus? I don't need though, but they look pretty.
Doesn't matter whatever you cook, I am ready. reddish. आज बहुत करेला खा लिया जितना खाना था इस 4 दिनों में मैंने आज खा लिया but it was good. Yeah, I like खीरा.
So this is our dinner presentation, and it looks so beautiful. It's a salad. Yes, sure, she is going to show us. This is dal,
lentils. This is sabzi.
Okay.
This is kundo and all that, gajar and all that. This is the chapati, and this is on special request we have masoor.
Oh wow, and pickles. Yummy. This is the view from my cottage, and the weather is not clear, but if the weather is clear you can see Kanchenjunga from here. and this is the property. And they also have their own farming there. They grow vegetables. I don't know what vegetables are there. I'm not going that side right now, but if you can see, they have a big farm there. They grow all crops. Today is day 2 and I am all dressed up, and Shorushi is also dressed up. We are twinning today, and from the morning I couldn't do anything because I was busy having my breakfast and exploring the property. And right now we are going downwards toward a monastery. They said there is a monastery over here nearby. Explore this area and let's see what we can find out. I'm feeling as if we are like those क्या बोले बेटा, detective out for some hunt. Okay, so yeah, we are going now and let's see how the area is. You can see the dense forest. We are going to explore the dense forest. Imagine a wrong turn coming out from there. So we have a church there and we are going to visit that church. We have walked a long way down, almost 1 kilometer more, I don't know. So we have walked down a long way. I'm scared now how to go up, but it's okay. We came here to visit a monastery, but I can see a church, so kuch nahi to church hi chalo visit kar lete hain. On the lap of a beautiful nature, there you can see this beautiful little church, so mesmerizing.
Assembly of God Church. Wow, that's nice. Rededicated to the glory of God and the loving memory of late Reverend J.D. Sherpa and Reverend Claudia Burma. What do you do?
Oh God, monastery तो हम लोगों को मिला नहीं और नहीं जा पा रहे. On the way we got a nice beautiful church. We offered our prayers there and came back. और हिम्मत नहीं है monastery जाने का. Oh God, give me some water. हाँ, yes. We are going back. We are going to the monastery. Sure. Please arrange water for me then. Oh God. Again we are going down and our homestay is somewhere high up in the heaven. I don't know where I left my homestay and will I be able to go back or not. Oh God, I need really water now.
क्या काम पानी करता है?
पानी का काम तो पानी करता है. Finally, we reached our destination, Lamahata 0 kilometer towards our monastery. We are heading towards our monastery and there it is. You can see it is really looking extraordinarily beautiful. Because we have walked a lot for this, so it is looking extraordinarily beautiful. Okay, so this is the view. Just see the view. I'll ask for a lift क्योंकि गाड़ी तो यहाँ मिलने से रही. तो देखते कोई अगर लिफ्ट दे देता है तो वेल एंड फाइन. मैं शाहरुख खान तो आएगा नहीं मुझे लिफ्ट देने. ओके, ऑल रबिश cut down and let's head towards a monastery. We came all the way down for the monastery and the monastery is locked. We can't go inside. Wow. So now we are waiting. I'm waiting to ask lift because there is no other transport that can take us to our stay, and it is almost quite high and the roads are very tedious for me to walk up now. I really can't. So I'm waiting. कोई लिफ्ट मिल जाए तो अगर got a lift all thanks to this young man. आपका नाम?
मेरा सरगम
हाँ?
सरगम
Okay. So he's such a kind man. He gave us a lift. Finally now I got relief and we are going back to our homestay. Shoshi, how are you feeling? Exactly. Taking a shower. Feeling so better now. And now our lunch is ready. We will have our lunch. So let's see what's there in the lunch. This is
नहीं मौसम होगा उन्होंने बोला रात को ठंड होगा
having thuppa for lunch. Salad. Chutney, whatever is there. Baby. क्या है क्या इसमें? What is here?
मैं खाती हूँ तो देख लंच क्या तूने 2:30 बजे
This is thuppa. I'm trying for the first time.
चीज चिकन ये हमने रिक्वेस्ट करके बनवाया है
वाह और क्या खाना है
अभी तो बस चिकन खाया घर में बोला साग है वो सब खाया
From an amazing stargazing moment. It's cold though outside little bit. And now we are ready to have our dinner. Let's see what's there in the dinner. That's chili chicken, fried rice, onion pakoras, tutparo. Good morning, and today is day 3.
Yeah.
Today is day 3 and my body is aching too much after a good walk yesterday, but that's fine. I am experiencing new things and that's good for me. And now we sat to have a breakfast,
And this is my one.
and this is what we are having: cottage cheese and roti. And let's see how it is. Deers come to your property here. Wow. So today, day 3, we are again out on another hiking, trekking kind of, and Shoroshi is there, and that's the road we are climbing up. We are going to visit another beautiful monastery. I don't know how much I can make up to that one because right now only मेरा सांस फूल रहा है, but I'll try my level best. I'm taking break in between, but I'm climbing. So let's see how the monastery is. Oh my god, my cheeks are burning red. Okay. Unable to walk upstairs. My heart is beating too fast. Shoshi said me to give up, but I will not. I'll make it. I'll do it. Okay, but I found a solution. Walk backward. So I'm climbing backward. It saves energy and you can walk more comfortably. Please take the tip if you don't know. So here we, I think, finally reached our monastery, and yes, it is still under construction. Here is the monastery. Yes, I reached. It is under construction. So let's see what temple. So right now we are heading towards Eco what? Eco Lama Hata. We have to climb the stairs up in the mountain. So here we go. Yay, you can do it. And I can do it too. Wait for me there. I got a shelter here after climbing half of the stairs. And I'm sitting, resting, water break. And then again we'll be climbing up. My first time mini trekking is becoming heavy. It's my turn. He's standing with a stick for me. For me. So kind of you. I really need that stick now. Wait. Get it? Yeah, I am. They go more higher to give you? Oh no. Please don't go.
There you go.
Yeah, I go. Gandhiji, salam. With the stick, now I can climb. Yeah, I am. Careful. I will be careful. Not able to climb anymore. Just see, it's again going up and up. Finally, we finished our climbing and we reached the spot. You can see the trees from there only. So we will go inside and check out the beauty of this park. So here we are at the park. You can see how beautiful this is. You have to take tickets, 20 rupees each. So you get a ticket for this beautiful park to explore.
চলো না রাস্তা ব্লক করা
I'm still now climbing the park. We have still not reached. It's almost 10 minutes, 15 minutes we are climbing the park and we still did not reach. And as you can see, that high up in the mountain behind that is the lake. Oh God. Finally we are almost reaching the lake. I thought I'll give up. Yeah, we made it. We made it. Yeah, though. We came all the way up in the mountain to see this lake. Wow. Zaruri tha. So finally energizing, finally recharging myself to go down the hill towards our homestay. So cheers. Here is a shop we finally got and now we are sitting here for some refreshment. We had tea and now we are waiting for our Maggie. Toot karo. टूट तो पड़ेंगे, बहुत भूख लगा है.
It was a very good hike coming up. The stairs we have taken, maybe in total it's around 1500 stairs, you know, on the mountains. Not all were, you know, normal. They were rocky and it was very tiring.
Tiring. We were almost scared that we will reach alive or not. It was never ending. Way going on and on and
Yeah,
on.
the motivation that we have together, the way we supported each other was really something looking forward to, because yeah, life is not easy, but this adventure was much better together.
Yeah.
So I would say please do visit this place, try offbeat places, don't go for the towns and just, you know, sightseeing, explore with the localites, because you get to learn from the localites, their local cultures, their local heritages,
And they're very friendly.
Yeah.
You'll feel at home. You'll just feel at home. You'll not feel that you're somewhere unknown place.
Exactly.
You'll just feel
Yeah,
they're
because if
treating
you-
us like a family member.
yeah, because if you also treat them well, they treat you back. And they are very humble people, especially Tibetans, I must say. They are very humble people. Nepalis are very humble people. They're amazing. And where there is no tourist, it's better that way. But yeah, tourism what keeps the hills alive. Really, keep the hills clean, maintain silence, because you enjoy that. That's Silence is
And the wind over here, it just made us so relaxed. All the pain, all
And
the
for
hard
the-
work just vanished.
Though the sun is there, but when it is windy, it's pretty refreshing because it's relaxing. You're not feeling so sweaty and hot because while we were coming, getting up the stairs, it was very sweaty. So hope we reach home safely to our home.
Fingers crossed, we reach in one piece.
I'm pretty sure we'll do it.
Because again, going down, looking down only, मेरा तो चक्कर आएगा. And my legs are trembling, and I have to very carefully walk so that I don't slip down. So this is our day 3 lunch, and we have red meat here, and there's ladyfinger, sabji, mixed dal, papad, salad.
हाँ, ये वाला सामद्रुक्ष होगा उस वाले पे 4 धाम.
Today is day 4, and I'm too tired after yesterday's climb, and we have decided not to go out anywhere. And वैसे भी सुबह से it's raining here, and the weather is so clear and so beautiful. I'm showing. Just see the clouds there. There's the clouds, and see it's looking so beautiful. So this is day 4 breakfast. We already had tea biscuit in the morning. This is aloo bhaji, my favorite, egg bhurji and chutney, yeah, pickle, I don't know. And egg bhurji is for Shoroshi, I don't eat egg. And puris, my all-time favorite, puri and aloo bhaji. You can see the clouds. After the rain, the clouds all around. This is day 4 and it's raining, and right now I am just going outside the property just to enjoy this rain on a mountain. That's it, because I'm too tired, my legs are paining, my body is aching, so I won't go too far. Just यही आसपास घूम के थोड़ा शूट कर लेते हैं. See how beautiful it's looking, and it's still drizzling, and here is one Chutu sleeping. Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay, bye. Wow, just look at the clouds. I'm all alone out to explore the woods, and you can see the clouds all between the woods. So nice. और हम छाता लेके निकल पड़े between the clouds, and I think I should close the umbrella. It's a little cold today, and wow, so nice over here. It is. I'm short of words, please excuse me. Just see the beauty, and that's it. I have nothing to say. राज मूवी जैसा फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा है. कॉपीराइट नहीं रहता यूट्यूब में, तो राज का कोई म्यूज़िक डाल देते बैकग्राउंड में. बस भूत ना मिले यहाँ, दैट्स इट. भूत नहीं चाहिए. नाइस. देयर इज द टी प्लांटेशन. Two types of friends. One is freezing cold under the blanket, and another took a shower. Just see, drying hair, and I just can't come out of the blanket. Oh God, seriously.
Come out of the blanket.
No, I can't.
You'll be fine as
So here is our day 4 lunch. We have rice. This is onion with cottage cheese, red meat, eggplant, red meat, papad, salad, and we have this soup. This is red meat soup, and this is all about our yummy lunch for day 4.
Take some papad and some churpi on it. Onion churpi. It's with tomato, onion churpi, and heaven.
I'll take little salad and I'll try little soup. Tomato, my favorite.
So এটা দেখি ওটা
The same. এই স্যুপটাই বেশি করে আছে।
ও
So good. This will actually warm me up now. Wolf तो है नहीं। सूप से काम चला।
she's expecting, you know, chicken
I'm
from this Twilight Saga.
more of a cold person, so wolf is perfect for me. And you're more of a hot person.
मुझे तो जान भी चलेगा.
Okay, so day 4 dinner we are having momos, chicken momos, unlimited chicken momos, and soup.
Busy eating.
This side it's the Kailash Parvat, and the top most is this side is the Kanchenjunga, which is the highest range. This entire is the Kanchenjunga range, and that's the Mount Everest. Yeah, and we are so happy that we got to see this view on our last day.
So tasty है ना.
Give me one.
तोड़ो. आप भी तोड़ लो. ये लो. ये लो.
कौन सा तोड़े? ये वाला तोड़े?
हाँ, तोड़ के खा लो ना उसमें.
So we are having fresh plum from the farm.
Yes. It's so tasty. मुझे ये वाला घर लेके जाना है.
कौन सा वाला?
ये वाला. I just pulled out. अंदर का थोड़ा वो गए ना. These are sweet plums. These are little ones.
So these are all the plums that we plucked from the farm. You can see it's a lot, it's a huge lot of plums. Oh my god, it's a lot of plums. More plums, and these are also from the farm. These vegetables, these are fresh from the farm. Oh god, my bag will be so heavy, but these are worth carrying. We are on our way back home, and we have halted on a nice cafe. You can see the cafe with the view. You enjoy the view and you enjoy yummy momos and coffee.
And with me.
Yeah, with me. And just see the view of the cafe. So beautiful. We have enjoyed almost all the beautiful views on this trip. Unexpectedly, we have seen a lot of beautiful things. So it's a great trip. So we are waiting at city center, Siliguri, because our bus is at 7:45, and it is 3 o'clock now. We have already reached the plains. So we are spending time in city center, and let's see what can be done to kill the time. And then we'll board the bus and we're off to Kolkata. I miss the mountains so much, and this noise is irritating me. So here we are waiting at city center, Inox, for a movie. जब हम भैयाजी मूवी देखने गए तो आई वाज लाइक भैयाजी मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन आई केम आउट लाइक भैयाजी मूवी देख के आए. इट वाज वंडरफुल. सो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट टू दार्जिलिंग, एंड आई once said I will never visit Darjeeling because I personally don't like Darjeeling at all. But yeah, the city part of this area I don't like. I will not prefer to stay in the main Darjeeling, but the outskirts, the unexplored areas, I think these are nice, these are good, and I will suggest visit the outskirt areas, unexplored areas, less crowded areas, the farm side, village side. I think those places are much more better than the Darjeeling area. Yeah, this was all about my Darjeeling visit. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, it's not the end. I'm just finishing this. Hope you like this video.